You are going to love the 2002 EuroVan. Volkswagen's EuroVan is a great cross between the size of a standard minivan and that of a delivery-sized van. The short wheelbase made tight turns easy for this passenger-loving vehicle. With a powerful engine, power was better than most minivans available at the time, too. The EuroVan slogan from Volkswagen was, "There's nothing mini about it." Come see this one for yourself and see how it can fill that void for the perfect all-around family vehicle. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.